Hey everyone, welcome back to G Street Fabrics YouTube channel. I'm Saba, the creative director here, and today we'll be unveiling all of the different things that you can do with your scrap fabrics from any of your projects. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just looking for some tips to reduce waste, we have tips and project ideas for you to make your scraps into something amazing. Why upcycle scrap fabric? Scrap fabric is a great way to reduce waste and personalize your project by using different pieces of past projects you've done. It not only helps the environment by keeping fabrics out of the landfill, but it also helps you personalize your project by showing parts of your style. Step 1. Gather and sort. It's important to start by gathering and organizing all of your scraps by color, size, and material type. This first step is essential to efficient upcycling. Before you begin, make sure that you have the right supplies to complete the project. You'll need sharp scissors, rotary cutters, and a sewing machine. Project idea 1, Patchwork Quilt. One of the most popular upcycling project ideas is quilting. Quilting is a great way to use your scraps from your project and create a beautiful, cozy blanket that you can carry with you or pass down from generation to generation. Project idea number 2, fabric tote bag. A really easy project is putting together the pieces of scrap fabrics, putting them into panel sections, cutting them out, and making a simple tote bag. The tote bag will be easy to make, and it'll also be one of one. Yours will be the only one that looks like that. Project idea 3, accessories. Even the smallest of fabric scraps can be turned into accessories like scrunchies, headbands, handkerchiefs, and more. So make sure to keep all of your fabric scraps, even the smallest ones. Some essential tips for your upcycling project: make sure to always pre-wash your fabric scraps. Whether they're yours or you got them from the store, you always want to make sure that they're in the best condition when you're entering them into your project. Also, don't be afraid to mix and match textures on your project. You never know what's going to come out of your one-of-one design. Upcycling scrap fabric is a fun and eco-friendly way to get the most out of your projects. Next time that you work on something, think twice before throwing away all your scrap fabrics. And make sure to come to G Street Fabrics in Rockville, Maryland to find the fabric for your next project. If you love this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Thanks.